Good day. We have to express sine 5x, sine 3x as a sum of two trigonometrical ratios. So when we recall from the product formula, that cos q minus cos p is equal to 2 sine p plus q over 2 sine p minus q over 2. So if we divide both sides by 2, this will be half. So this will cancel this. At the end of the day, we have sine. We can equate this to this, and this other one to this one. So that the first one, we can get p plus q all over 2 to be equal to 5x. Then when we cross multiply, p plus q will be equal to 10x. We can call that equation 1. Then the second one, we can get p minus q all over 2 is equal to 3x. When we cross multiply, we realize that p minus q is equal to 6x, equation 2. So these are two simultaneous equations. When we add these two equations together, this will cancel out. We are going to get 2p to be equal to 16x. Therefore, p is equal to 8x. We have gotten the value of p. The value of p to be equal to 8x. So we substitute the value of p into equation 1 so that q will be equal to 10x minus p. And that will be 10x minus 8x. So q is equal to 2x. So the value of p is 8x and q is 2x. Since we have gotten the value of p and q, then we can actually express. We can go ahead. P is 8 and q is 2. P is 8 and q is 2. We now say that sine 5x sine 3x will now be equal to half into bracket cos 2x minus cos 8x. So that will be the expression of sine 5x sine 3x as a sum of two trigonometrical ratios. So please let's take note. Thank you.